5 easy ways to save money on a tight budget. Are you tired of feeling like you can never save money, no matter how tight your budget is? You're not alone. But with a few simple changes, you can start saving money today, even with a limited income. Keep watching to discover 5 powerful tips to help you save money on a tight budget, no matter where you're starting from. Hi, and welcome to Six Figure Crib, where we simplify personal finance to help you reach your financial goals. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on easy-to-follow tips to take control of your money and start building wealth. Tip 1. Track your expenses. The first step to saving money is identifying where it's all going. Sounds simple, right? But many people are surprised when they start tracking their expenses. Whether it's a daily coffee habit or those spontaneous purchases, they add up quickly. To get started, download a free app like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget. These apps automatically track your spending, categorize your expenses, and show you where your money's going. Start by reviewing the past month's spending. You'll probably notice a few areas where you can cut back. Maybe you didn't need to buy that extra pair of shoes or go out for lunch every day. For example, I used to spend $50 a week on takeout, but once I tracked it, I realized that's $200 a month, money that could go towards savings. In the next month, you could aim to cut down on those non-essential expenses by 10 to 20%. It's about making conscious choices that add up over time. Tip 2. Cut unnecessary subscriptions. We all have subscriptions, streaming services, gym memberships, magazine subscriptions, and more. But the truth is, many of us forget to cancel services we no longer use. Take a moment to look through your bank statement and identify any subscriptions that aren't necessary right now. You may also want to try an app like Truebill, which automatically finds and helps you cancel subscriptions you've forgotten about. You might not realize it, but those little monthly fees could be draining your bank account. For example, I found that I was still paying for a subscription to a magazine I haven't read in months. That $15 a month adds up to $180 a year, money that could be better spent elsewhere. Tip 3. Set spending limits. Setting limits on your spending is a crucial step in saving money. Creating a budget is all about allocating your money to the right places, and limiting your non-essential spending is key. One popular method is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to necessities, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. For example, if you earn $2,000 a month, this would mean you allocate $1,000 to necessities like rent and groceries, $600 to discretionary spending, like dining out or entertainment, and $400 to savings or paying down debt. Setting spending limits helps you stick to your goals, avoid overspending, and gives you more control over your finance. Tip 4. Meal planning. Let's talk about one of the biggest money drains, eating out. Takeout, delivery, and eating at restaurants can add up fast, especially when you're on a tight budget. But there's an easy fix: meal planning. Start by planning your meals for the week. Look at what you already have in your pantry and fridge, and plan meals around those items. You can save tons of money by buying ingredients in bulk and avoiding last-minute takeout runs. For example, I used to spend $50 a week on takeout, but now I plan meals around what's on sale at the grocery store. This simple change saves me at least $200 a month. Meal planning doesn't have to be complicated. Start small by planning just 3 to 4 meals a week. As you get more comfortable, you can expand to meal prepping for the entire week. Tip 5. Automate savings. Last but not least, automating your savings is one of the easiest ways to save without even thinking about it. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account as soon as you get paid. Even if it's just $20 a week, it adds up over time. Automating savings means you won't have to worry about forgetting or spending the money before it gets into your savings account. For example, if you set up a $20 weekly transfer, that's $1,040 saved in a year, without any extra effort on your part. Which of these tips are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found these tips helpful, make sure to like this video and share it with your friends who might also be looking to save money on a tight budget. Thanks for watching Six Figure Crib. Be sure to subscribe for more actionable personal finance tips And join me next time to learn how to create a budget that actually works. See you in the next video.